So well guys, if anyone is facing any problem, like I had got lots of messages that video is not clear, so please go on a three dot on your video and press the auto mode. The video will be clear. Don't select any resolution, that is 240 180 anything. Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So well mariners, in this video we will going to discuss about question number 3 and question number 4 of March 2020 paper. So from this example you will get to know how to solve the paper and much more. So please be till end and do subscribe the channel, share with your friends. So watch the entire video. So the question number 3, that is two square rock latitude and longitude was given, was first seen at distance of 3.6 mile off, and 30 minutes later it was last seen at a distance of 3.6 miles off due to poor visibility. In this interval the vessel steered a course of 235 degree true, current was a setting 330 degree true in 2 knots. Now determine the position of a vessel at the time of first seen and last seen. So this is a question. So from the question only you have to understand that what exactly the question means. So from the question it is clear that it is a transfer of a position circle, but it is giving a circle, it's making an arc, so it's clear that it is a transfer of position circle. So well, please, as you had seen the question, so from the question only it is clear that we are talking about a transfer of a position circle. Okay, so now let's first thing after citing the question that should arise, that what is my position. So as per the question, that is 52 degree 12 minute latitude and 6 degree 18 minute with the longitude, my position is that this is the Tushar rocks. Okay, so we have to do every calculation from this location. Okay, so now let's begin with the numericals. What it says, taking our Tushar Rakan as a center. So as per the question, that is 3.6 is our first site and also 3.6 as a last site. So from this position we will draw our last site, that is 3.6. okay, so I'm drawing my 3.6 of a arc. Okay, so I draw. Now the next thing what we have to do, we have to steer our course as per the question from this point only, from the point, that is we are taking everything from this point. So we will draw our course, apply current. So well, let's see how I'm doing. Okay, now what I had done, from this position, as per the question it is given that vessel will do 12 nautical mile per hour. So we are taking for half mile only. So for half mile I have cut my position, that is still 6, with a steering of 235 6 mile, that is in half hour we will be somewhere around here. Now here I will apply my current and set. So watch it clearly. So that at from position A, okay, I had steered my course. I have applied my current, that is 330, that will go upward because it's a compass, and as it is saying that 2 knot is applying, so for that it's for 1 hour. So for half an hour it will be for just 1 knot, so therefore it will cut somewhere. Now the next step is involving that I have to join here this position to this, so that will be my course made good. This is my course to steer. Then I will get my course made good. Okay, now let's watch it. The step involved is that this is my current. Okay, this is my 1 knot, and after I had applied to here. Now the things arrives that from this position B I will take a 3.6 of a arc and I will draw my first arc. So the position where it will cut, this is my position at after 30 hour, that is okay, and from here I will draw a parallel course, that is with parallel to course made good. Wherever it will cut my this line, that will be my first site and this will be my last site. Hope it is clear to you. So now let's discuss about question number 4. Hope question number 3 is well cleared, and if you still doubt guys, feel free to comment guys. I am there all the time and still doubt, please join our Telegram channel and do comments or do message there. Anyone can solve your doubt. So question number 4, a vessel observed Valley Cotton Island, latitude longitude is given, bearing is 236 degree, compass Keppel Island, latitude longitude is given, bearing is 295 degree, and Williamson Town, bearing latitude and longitude is given, bearing is 340. Find the ship position and the deviation of a ship's head. So well, it's very simple. It is a HSA question. So well, let's see how we are going to solve it. Now after seeing the question, it is well cleared that what we have to do. It is well cleared as because ship head is not given, means ship course, nothing is given about the ship. It is asking about the deviation and the so therefore this is a HSA question. The simple way to identify these things is that compass course is given and the second, the head is not given. Well, and if you still you guys having that how to decide, then go and please watch my previous video of basic concept of a chart work. So now that I had joined my all the 3 points, so from here what I have to do is that now I have to find out the HSA, and from the HSA I will take out the complement angle. So I had done that part. So for these two it will be of 45 and for these two it will be of 31. So now I will draw the 31 degree of arc and I will join the lines. So well, watch it. Now what I had done, I have taken as a complement angle of a 45 and I had drawn of an angle of a 45. Now where these two line meet, that will be your 1 point. Now next thing, for the previous two I had done a 31 degree. Wherever these two line meet, that will be your point. Now what you have to do, you have to take this as a center, and you have to draw a circle for this both. So well, see it. So well, now taking this as a center, I had run one circle, and taking this as a center, I had measured from here to here and taken as a this as a center and drawn the other circle. So wherever these two circle will meet, so this will be your ship's position. Simple way. Okay, this is your ship position. Now you have to find the deviation. So simple. So from here, measure the bearing. Okay, just draw a straight line and measure the bearing, or you can draw to this or to anywhere wherever you are feeling comfortable, draw it, and from the previous bearing and to this bearing just subtract it. The value will get, that will be your compass error. I had measured my position, that will be my 51 degree 52 decimal north and 007 degree 09 minute west. So well, now it is clear that how we are going to identify HSA, or it is a 3-point bearing, or it is a transfer of a position circle. So well, and if still you want guys any video, please feel free to comment, and or you can message me on a Telegram. I will try my best to make a video as fast as possible as per your requirement. Please do subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you and Jai Hind.